Hello, what's up? Ali here, and today we are going to show you how we can convert Xbox 360 ISO to .xex. So why do we actually need this? Well, the ISO files are the most common file, and if you have an Xbox with JTAG or RGH, you will need games that is on .xex format for you to be able to play them. This is the equivalent to PS3's dump files. So what do we need to do this? Well, this is actually easy. You only need one file, which is the 360 MPGUI application, and the link is on our description. This is actually this file here. So just get to the link. You can download the file by clicking here, and once you have downloaded the file, just extract it and open this folder, and all you have to do is run this application. The good thing on this application is you no longer have to install this one. All you have to do is download, extract, and run. Once you see this error message, just click on OK. Next, you will need the ISO file. So unfortunately, I won't be able to provide any source or where can I get ISO files. But once you have the game, just extract the game. Say for example, we have this Spec Ops. So just extract the game. And once you have the game, just remember where you have extracted the file. And if you don't have anything to extract the file, I would suggest downloading 7-zip. Well, the link is on our description as well. So once you have the game that you want to convert to XEX, and you have the application, all you have to do is run the application and click on this part, select ISO here. Now on this part, just click on where you want to extract the file. I would suggest you use the same folder so you won't have any issues tracing the folder. Then just click on OK. Then all you have to do is just click on extract ISO, and it will extract the ISO. Estimated time of completion is just around a minute or sometimes even less. This is the game. So if you access the game, here is your .xex file. All you have to do is just transfer this folder to your Xbox 360 or your external hard drive on the exact location where you place your games. And if ever you access your Xbox and you cannot find the game, all you have to do is just go to the File Explorer, click on this folder, and run this file. This will execute the game. Alright, so this will be it. In case you have any questions or suggestions or any comments, please leave them in our comment section and I will definitely address them. And again, this is Ali. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.